Hey, hey, hey! I heard you got a gift today.
Baileigh.
Baileigh. What is it? I think I know what's in there. Here, let me help you.
Alright.
Here. I'm gonna celebrate. I got a cigar called Payback. It's from Gambino Customs. He sent this to me. I never had an occasion to smoke it. Good occasion, I usually wait. This is a good one. Got a planishing hammer. This is a good occasion. Oh, that is nice.
Woo, baby!
Oh, man. Wow. That is, holy that is something else.
Look how many, look.
You know what these are for?
Yeah, isn't it?
When the insurance company comes. You take two of these, give me another one. You take two of these, and you're like, come here. What's not covered? What's not covered? Bang!
So I just finished unboxing the planishing hammer, and I put everything together. But there's one thing. I don't have a compressor fitting that fits. So I have to get it tomorrow, and then I can finally use it tomorrow. I'm so excited. Baileigh sent me sandbags and hammers with the sandbag. Each hammer gives the metal a different shape. Then Baileigh also sent me the anvils for the planishing hammer. Gives the metal a different shape. This is insane, right?
Taking over the world.
You got it, man. On my last video, I left off that I needed a fitting so I could finally use my planishing hammer. So today, I went to an automotive store, hardware stores. I went everywhere, and I couldn't find a fitting that will actually fit. Because look, they're too small. But I got this new, but it's too small, right? So I had an idea. I had this that screws in, right? See how it screws in? And I'm gonna get this, jam it in, right? And I'm gonna brass it. That's why it's very good to know how to brass. It's like a tech tip. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna finally start using my machine. I always use Teflon tape. Okay, beautiful. Good. Ready for this? And you know what? I'm going to try it out too. This is a piece of scrap metal I have. And see how flat it is? Now I'm going to round it off and you're going to see the magic happen. Look at the beautiful roundness it put in it. Nice and even. See that? This is good for motorcycle gas tanks, custom bodywork on cars. It's endless. And stay tuned because there's a lot more coming.